Hello guys, my name is Anurag Idlavatkar and today we are going to see a little bit important topic. It is Google IDE, Google Web IDE, named as Google Colab. So what you have to do is you have to open the browser, and in browser you have to open colab.research.google.com. Okay, so you have to open it, and right here you can see that we have a small interface in front of us. So what we are doing is we are considering that we are preparing the first program. So we will simply say new notebook. Okay. So this particular interface will give you exact feeling of Jupyter, which is part of Jupyter Notebook, which is part of Anaconda. And right here you can see that it is exactly looking like that. It is inherited from Anaconda. It is inherited from Jupyter Notebook, and they have enhanced the Google have enhanced the what we say features in this, and they have incorporated lot many things into this. So very first thing is we will see uh, very basic one, like I will say print hello world. So it will execute this particular command, and it will give me output as hello world. Okay, now let us understand some features of Google Colab. So Google Colab offers a range of features designed to enhance machine learning, data science, and general purpose Python programming in cloud-based environment, which is known as Google Colab. So my IDE, that is integrated development environment. So Google provides a web-based IDE which is used for this particular purpose. Now Google Colab is free cloud service, and it is available for everyone. So those who are using Google, and those who habitual of doing this particular thing, so they can freely use this particular tool. Google Colab comes with different different features. So if you want to go for purchased version of that, then there is a different option where you can take license for 1 month, 1 year or so. And right now we are using free version of this. So Colab provides a free access to computing resources, including GPU, that is graphical processing unit, TPU, that is tensor processing unit, which is essential for accelerating computing intensive tasks like training in deep learning models. So when we will do image processing, when we will do tasks which are very complicated in nature, in that such type of cases, we need TPUs and GPUs for that. Now, a general normal machine, okay, a normal machine, it doesn't have GPU or TPU inside it. Okay, we have a very small feature of GPU available in our laptops and desktops, but dedicated GPUs and dedicated TPUs, these are very costly affair. So in this particular case, you will find that GPU and TPU is provided by, apart from CPU, GPU and TPU is provided by Google itself. In that you can see that how it is useful in that. So suppose I go to runtime and I will say change runtime. Right here you have CPU. So current is CPU. Then you can click on TPU. Sorry, you can click on GPU. So you will find available T4 GPUs in that. Okay, and in the same way you have option of TPU. Okay, so in this way you can change the runtime, and based on your program, on complexity of program, how complex deep learning program you are doing, or how the machine learning program is acting in that particular requirement, you based on that particular requirement you can switch to CPU, GPU, and TPU and work on that particular thing. Okay. Uh, essentially, when you start working on deep learning programs, you need GPU in that. Okay, and then if you have complex image processing and other things are there, then you need TPU for that. That is Tensor Processing Unit. So this is what you have. Now, other than that, you have something called as environment. Okay, so you have Jupyter Notebook Environment. So uh, Google Colab, they have integrated Jupyter Notebook environment in Google Colab. So it will help you to. So it utilizes the GPU like notebook interface, allow users to combine, and it provides you coding, rich text, and it will give you visualization and other important things with respect to that. Other than that, in case of Google Colab, you have there is no need to perform any kind of setup, or there is no need of any kind of installation or something like that. As a cloud-based service, Colab eliminated the need for local software installations and environment configuration, and making it readily accessible for all from any web browser. Okay, so you will log into your Gmail account, you will connect to Google collab.research.google.com, and then you will be able to access the Colab environment, and there is no initial installation or anything is required for that, unless or until there is a complex library available. You have to install it, otherwise there is no need to uh, do any kind of other work in that. Okay, collaboration and sharing. So Google Colab provides the facilities of real-time collaboration on notebooks. Similarly, Google Documents, and enabling multiple users to work on the same project simultaneously. So notebook can be easily shared and commented upon that. Okay, so based on that particular thing, you can do that particular sharing as well as collaboration with that. Integration with Google Drive. So whatever work you are doing, it will be automatically get saved in Google Drive, and it will be a separate folder called as Colab Notebook, and everything will be stored directly in that. Most importantly, pre-installed libraries. So in Google Colab, in Google Colab, all Python related libraries, maximum, okay, 90-95% libraries are pre-installed available. Okay, whatever means when you will start Google Colab, it will provide you the latest version of Python, and it will also provide you the latest version of all libraries. Okay, pre-installed in that. So Colab comes with the wide range of popular Python libraries and frameworks pre-installed, including TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras, NumPy, Pandas, Seaborn, Matplotlib, and in like a number of libraries available with that. And one of the best feature right here is my collab is attached to GitHub, and GitHub is an integrated environment where you can save whatever work is there. So in runtime, you can save everything in Colab, and it will automatically get saved in your GitHub environment. Now, Google Colab is like particularly well suited for machine learning and deep learning tasks. Often it tools resources and for the development and training and evaluating the modules. So machine learning and deep learning, Colab plays a very important role. As I already told you, I have already shown you that with the help of your GPUs and TPUs, you can perform complex tasks with the help of that. So in that particular case, it is very helpful for that. Okay. And in the similar way, generative AI program can be done with the help of Google Colab. Google Colab is an excellent platform for developing and experimenting generative AI modules and applications, and due to its cloud-based environment and access to the powerful computing resources like GPU and TPU, it is very preferable environment for your generative environment, generative AI uh, applications and programming. So okay, so no separate setup is required for that, and you can do your text generation, so training models to the generative creative text articles and code snippets, image generation, creating novels images using GAN and other generative models, language translation, develop and experiment with the models for the language translations and code generative and debugging. So leverage Colab built-in AI feature to generate code and receive explanation on for the errors. And you will find infinite different features which are available with the help of your Google Colab, which will be helpful for your day-to-day operations, and connecting to the environment, connecting to the different features and other stuff with respect to that. And you can import this thing, you can share this thing with community and other places, and you can have important things with respect important features from you can have important features from Google Colab. So this is all about Google Colab. Thank you very much.